There's something special, isn't there, about solo walking on a day like this. So drop it in the comments. Do you prefer to go walking in company, or do you prefer to go on your own? And but look at this view here, just stunning. The sunlight's coming through, and this is a magical spot here. I've got it to myself, which is great. Just beautiful. Just something else, isn't it? And of course, you wouldn't catch me being here at night. Definitely not. Maybe with a group of people, but not on my own. But just stunning. Look at that canopy. Just something else. I know there's not much biodiversity in these types of forestry plantations, is there? But still, it's nice to see the trees, the greenery, isn't it? And just nice to be on my own, collecting my thoughts, pondering life. And it's like that reset button, isn't it? Just get out 3 or 4 hours on your own. Nowhere particular place to be, and just nice. I love solitude. I think there's definitely a skill. As you get older, you learn to appreciate your friends and all the memories and the enjoyment that's come from that, but also you also become more comfortable in your own skin, I think, as you get older and start to appreciate these types of things. So thank goodness, I say. It's just lovely, isn't it? Anyway, I'm going to carry on. I'm going to carry on with my walk and enjoy this beautiful sunlight that's just coming through the trees. We're just going to come out of this section here of the woodland, and this part here, I'll just turn you around now, is bathed in sunlight. It's just magical. It's just absolutely magical. Look at this. I don't know if you can pick it up on this camera, but the wind's blowing softly through the trees, the canopy. And there you go. What a great little spot to be, eh?